Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has expressed profound sorrow over the demise of former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. A condolence meeting was held today at Congress Bhavan located at BT Road. MPCC President MLA Kaisam Meghchandra, CLP leader Okram Ibobi and CWC member Gai Khangam, along with party leaders and members, paid floral tribute to the portrait of Dr. Manmohan Singh. Speaking to media, CLP leader Okram Ibobi highlighted that Dr. Manmohan Singh's leadership played a pivotal role in making India's economy more financially sustainable. Ibobi praised Dr. Manmohan Singh's contributions as Union Finance Minister from 1991 to 1996 under the leadership of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. He noted that Dr. Manmohan Singh introduced key economic reforms that helped reduce poverty, liberalized foreign direct investment, and privatized public sector enterprises, all of which significantly contributed to the country's growth.
Atay-atay nang bada awang nungpog Bharat Sakhatragadi India Sakhatpa Yaroi Haiba Adugu Bangang Bunataba Dr. Manmohan Singh Sidi Washi Yaring Ngang Daba Haibatare Ngarang Nahangi Tongan Ba papers in Apawa papers in the Hindus, the Times of India, Hindustan Times, Indian Express. Masih Prithibigi Apawa leaders in Haibda. India is liberated by whom? Dr. Manmohan Singh Hai. India si Dr. Manmohan Singh na liberate Tormani Mana Shamamba Yumpham Duna Ngasi India se Prithibigi Sentung Yupim Manga Suda Kalibase Korna Ahum da Lakani America China Mathang da Ahum Suba Lakani Ghana Taunari Base Masi Dr. Manmohan Singh Lairam Dragadi Mana Shamamba Foundation da Tonga Haibatare Nangwang Haktani Haina. Prithibigi Apauba well known economists in a Pibanico, Equina Hijabana Tiva myself. Malaga, Manipuri University, Central University, Lautoe, Central Institution, we have Rims Lautoe. Mana Tawiramba Mana Matin Pang Viramba Mayam. I quite didn't take one Northeast key. Mayam Masidi, Lishama Shambada, Punga Mahena, Patok Pada, Loy Kambat Naira.